Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we are going to do an unboxing of a mini hair straightener that I bought from Altia. If you have seen my previous episode on my unboxing, you will see this item in there. Okay, so let's try it on. I have a power bank here. It's connected to the cable provided. And this side, I'm going to... wait, upside down. I have a power bank here. And I'm going to connect the one end of the cable to the power bank. And this end over here will be connected to the straightener. Okay. It is now off. So we're going to switch it on. So you can see the light here blinking, meaning it's now can be used. So here's the lock over here. You can unlock it so that you can open it up. I'm not sure how long it takes to get it heated. It is my first time using a hair straightener. Okay, let's try. So I'm not sure how long we need to wait for it to heat up. We'll just wait for it to heat up. I've sectioned my hair. I'm not sure whether it's going to work or not. It's still not heating up. Let me try. So the light here is still blinking. I assume that it is still charging. I'm not sure because the instructions are all in Korean. It's still not heating up. Alright, so it's been half an hour waiting for it to heat up. I don't think it's heating up much, but let's give it a last try before I give up. Okay, let's try this for the one last time. Finally, the light is not blinking. It was blinking for over half an hour. I was ready to give up. I switched it off. Then I thought maybe let's give it another chance. So I switched it on. Then the light doesn't blink anymore. And suddenly I feel there's a bit of heat coming out. So I try it on my hair. That's why you can see it's straightened now. Okay, let's try here for a bit to see the effect before I end the video. Let's try. Oh, it's hot. Ta-da! Okay. So yes, it's working. I'm not sure why it wasn't just now. So you have to make sure the light isn't blinking when you want to use it. The only way is to switch it off and on again. If you see that it blinks, yes, it is working. And it does straighten my hair. This is very cute, I must say, and it's very handy. Just that the problem is that you need to have a power bank to use it. So if you don't have a power bank, then you cannot use it. That's the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Till then, see you and take care.